in this battle between Jesus and the devil,
ya kwamba katika vita hivi kati ya Yesu na
that
ibilisi,
Jesus must win.
ya kwamba Yesu lazima ashinde.
That in this battle between sin and holiness,
Ya kwamba katika vita hivi kati ya dhambi na
that
utakatifu,
holiness must win.
ya kwamba utakatifu lazima ushinde.
That in this battle between the mega prophets of the Lord and the false prophets of money,
Ya kwamba katika vita hivi dhidi ya manabii wakuu wa Bwana na manabii wa uongo wa pesa,
that the mega prophets of God must win.
ya kwamba manabii wakuu wa Bwana lazima washinde.
That in this battle between the kingdom of Satan and the kingdom of
Ya
God,
kwamba katika vita hivi kati ya ufalme wa Mungu na ufalme wa Shetani,
that the kingdom of God must win.
ya kwamba ufalme wa Mungu lazima
So
ushinde.
we know
Kwa hivyo
we know clearly
tunajua waziwazi
that Babylon must go down.
ya kwamba Babeli lazima
So we
ianguke.
can now choose our side
Kwa hivyo sasa tunaweza kuchagua sehemu
and just
yetu
walk faithfully with Jesus, however much persecuted.
na tutembee kwa uaminifu na Yesu hata bila kujalisha mateso.